Hello, everyone. Today, I'll be talking about an extraordinary woman whose words, art, and advocacy continue to inspire millions around the world. She is Maya Angelou. Maya Angelou was born on April 4, 1928, in St. Louis, Missouri. From an early age, she faced many struggles, poverty, discrimination, and even traumas. But instead of letting these challenges break her spirit, she transformed them into strength, creativity, and resilience. She is best known as poet, memoirist, singers, dancer, actress, and even civil rights activist. Her life was truly a journey of constant reinvention, proving that art and expression can truly empower both the creator and the audience. One of her greatest contributions to literature is her series of autobiographies. The most being was titled I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings, published in 1969. This groundbreaking book told the story of her childhood and struggles with identity, racism, and resilience. It was one of the first widely read books that gave voice to the struggles of black women in America. And aside from writing, Maya Angelou also made her marks in performing arts. She sang, danced, and acted in theater and film, showcasing her incredible talent and versatility. She even toured internationally, introducing African culture and music to audiences worldwide. Beyond her artistry, Maya Angelou was also a powerful voice for justice and equality. She worked with legendary leaders such as Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. and Malcolm X during the civil rights movement. Through her activism, she reminded the world that the true freedom comes when all people are respected and treated equally. Her poetry is deeply admired because it speaks for hope, identity, love, empowerment, and freedom. One of her most quoted lines is, you may write me down in history with your bitter, twisted lies. You may trod me in the very dirt, but still, like dust, I'll rise. These lines from her poem, Still I Rise, are a declaration of resilience and dignity, reminding us that no matter how many times life knocks us down, we have the power to rise again. Throughout her life, Maya Angelou received countless awards and honors. She was awarded more than 30 honorary degrees, became a celebrated speaker, and in 2011, she was presented with the Presidential Medal of Freedom, the highest civilian honor in the United States by President Barack Obama. Even until her passing in 2014, Maya Angelou continued to write, teach, and inspire. Her works are still read and loved today because they speak directly to the human spirit. They remind us of the importance of hope, courage, and compassion. Maya Angelou was more than just an artist. She was a voice for justice, a champion of human dignity, and a reminder that words can change the world. Her journey shows that no matter where we come from or what struggles we face, we have the power to rise above and leave a legacy of hope. As Maya Angelou herself once said, nothing will work unless you do. Thank you so much for listening.